Hello, good morning. I'm Naresa Solano from Philippines. I am 56 years old. I have two kids. I work in Taiwan 2007 to 2009. I work there as a caretaker and I take care the elderly for 2 years. After my contract in Taiwan, I returned back to Philippines and I apply job to Middle East country at Qatar as a DH also. I take care 7 years old and 15 years old son and daughter of my employer in Qatar. I work in Qatar for 2 years also. After 2 years, I returned back to my family in Philippines and I try to apply here in Macau. And I got job here in Macau from 2017 and I finished contract last 2024 August 30 with one employer. I do cleaning, house cleaning, marketing, cooking, ironing, and I make tidy the house every day, and I cook lunch and dinner for my employer and their one daughter only, 12 years old. And now I finished my contract because they go to Australia now. That's why I need to find another job. So to my future employer, if God's will, I hope you choose me, ma'am. I am hardworking. I'm honest and God-fearing. I hope I can find a good job and also a good employer. Thank you so much.